Hey Bio 20, welcome to the video on dichotomous keys. This is going to be short, sweet, because there's two videos today. The second video you will watch today was taped at an earlier time when we do an actual project in class. So the way it talks you through the process, it keeps telling you on your poster. Don't worry about that. There is no poster. Just follow the steps that are given to you in the next video. Before we get to that video, I want to talk about dichotomous keys. What are they? So dichotomous keys use observable characteristics to identify organisms. So what happens is we use binomial nomenclature to name animals. So we give it the genus and the species. Once we have that, we have to figure out within a large food web of animals, something like this. How can I actually tell you which animal is which using its proper names? That's when a dichotomous key comes into place. So I look at all the animals in a food web, in a food chain, and what I have to do is I have to start using their observable characteristics, feathers, how many toes they have, do they have wings, do they walk on all fours, do they walk on two legs, do they have horns, do they have 4 eyes, 2 eyes, it doesn't matter. Whatever I can see on the animal is what I'm going to use. Then we take what we're seeing and we arrange them in steps with 2 statements at each step. The next video is going to show you how to arrange and make those dichotomous keys. What you have in the screen right here is showing you kind of a generalized idea. So the first question is this an animal? If you answered yes, that's good because you can only make dichotomous keys with animals, or I guess maybe with made up systems, but for animals. The next says, does this animal have a backbone? So does it have a spine? If the answer is yes, that is a vertebrate. If the answer is no, it's an invertebrate. Then it goes on to help you classify all the way down to mammals, reptiles, birds, arthropods, mollusks. These are just different types of animals. The type of dichotomous key I'm going to have you make when you watch the next video is using yes or no questions, but then splitting it into separate steps. So if you can follow along in the next video, you can fill out your block of how to do a dichotomous key with the video you watch next.